Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 of exercise 2.3 of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. So let's begin with question number 7. So same thing we have to do. The first thing we will get the value of x and then we will check our answer. So on the next step, what we have to write, x is equals to, we have to open the bracket. Now this x and 10 which is inside the bracket are carrying 1 as a denominator. Okay, so very carefully we will open the bracket. Now when we multiply 4 by 5 with x, so how to multiply? 4 into x is what? 4x by 5 ones are 5. Okay, now again this 4 by 5 will be multiplied with 10 also. So 4 tens are 40 and 5 ones are is 5. So this is how we have opened the bracket. Now what is the next step that we'll do? We'll bring the variables term towards left hand side like this. Okay, so it will look like x minus 4x upon 5, that would be equals to 40 by 5. Okay, now we have to solve this side. So x is carrying 1 as a denominator, so we'll get the LCM. So the LCM of 1 and 5 would be what? 5, isn't it? So next step is we have to divide this 5 with this 1. So 5 divided by 1 will get 1. 5. So 5 divided by 1 will get 5. So 5 into x will get 5x. When we divide this 5 with this 5, we'll get answer as 1. 1 into 4x will get 4x, isn't it? Now that would be equals to 40 on 5. Now let's solve this. 5x minus 4x will get as x by 5 equals to 40 by 5. Okay, now we have to transpose this 5 towards right hand side. So it is in the division form. When it will go to that side, it will become multiplication. That is x is equals to 40 by 5 into 5. This way we have to write it down. Now these two numbers can be reduced by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So finally we get the answer as x is equals to 40. Now this is what we have to check whether the answer is right or wrong. So what we have to do? Yes, definitely we have to check LHS and RHS. Okay, so we have to check the value, that is LHS and RHS. Okay, so what is there in LHS? We'll put the line like this. Okay, LHS we have x. So in place of x we'll write 40. So answer of LHS is 40. Now let's check the right hand side part. So 4 by 5 x plus 10. Now in place of x we'll put the value, that is 40. So 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10. So we'll solve the bracket first. So we'll get 4 by 5 into 50, isn't it? 40 plus 10 is 50. Now we'll reduce this thing. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So 4 tens will get what? 40, isn't it? So both the side we are carrying the same answer. So finally how to conclude it? Therefore LHS equals to RHS verified. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 7. So let's now move on to sum number 8. This is question number 8, students. Now in this question we have variables in both the side and constant term also in both the sides. So what exactly we have to do? We have to bring the constant term, variable term towards left hand side, and we take the constant terms towards right hand side. So on the next step we will first have to mention this one, as you know. So 2x on 3, and this is carrying plus sign, and when it come to left hand side it will change its sign, that is minus 7x on 15 equals to, this is the first constant term we have to mention first, that is 3, and then we'll take plus 1 towards this side, it will become minus 1. So the next step we have to take the LCM of 3 and 15. So LCM of 3 and 15 would be 15 only. So divide this 15 with this 3, we'll get answer as 5. 5 into 2x will give answer as 10x. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 into 7x would be 7x. Now 3 minus 2 will get 2. Now 10x minus 7x will get answer as 3x upon 15. That would be equals to 2. Now if you want to reduce, then we can reduce this also, because these two numbers can be reduced by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So it will look like x upon 5 is equals to 2. Okay. Now we have to transpose this 5 towards right hand side. So this number will be multiplied with this number. So finally we will get the answer as x is equals to 2 into 5. That would be equals to 10. So x is equals to 10. Now we have to check this answer whether it is right or wrong, or whether it is satisfying the equation or not. In other way you can say. So LHS. The first thing what we have to do, we have to go for LHS. And this side we'll do RHS. So what is there in LHS form? 2, 3, x plus 1. So in place of x we'll put 10. So 2, 3 into 10 plus 1. So we'll get 20 upon 3 plus 1. Okay, so now we'll get the LCM. So what is the LCM then? 3. The LCM of 3 and 1 would be 3. Okay, now 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. 1 into 20, we'll get 20. 3 divided by 1 would be what? 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, so answer we'll get as 23 by 3. Okay, this is the solution of LHS. Now let's move on to RHS. RHS. So what we have in RHS? 7x by 15. 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now in place of x we'll put 10. So 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. Okay. Now 70. 70 by 15 plus 3. So 3 is carrying 1 as a denominator. So we'll also get the LCM. So what is the LCM of 15 and 1? It would be 15. Isn't it? Now if we divide this 15 with this 15, we'll get answer as 1. 1 into 70, we'll write 70 only. When we divide this 15 with this one, we'll get answer as 15. Then 15 3 is what? 45. So we'll get the answer as 115 upon 15. Now these two numbers can be reduced by 5. So when we reduce this 115 by 5, we'll get the answer as 23. And 15 divided by 5 will get as 3. So the final answer we are getting is 23 by 3. So both the side LHS and RHS are kind of same answer. That is 23 by 3, 23 by 3. So we can write therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Verified. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 8. Now let's move on to sum number 9. This is question number 9, students. So again we have to bring the variables. As you see, both the sides are carrying the variables and the constant term. So we have to bring the variables towards left hand side and we'll take the constant terms towards right hand side. Okay, so the next step we'll write as 2y and we'll bring this minus y towards this side. It will become plus y equals to, now we'll first mention this constant term, that is 26 upon 3, and then we'll take this plus 5 by 3 towards right hand side. It will become 5 upon 3. So let's solve this side. So 2y plus y will give you 3y, isn't it? Now these two fractions are carrying the same denominator, so obviously the LCM will be 3 only, and we'll write 26 minus 5. Now 3y equals to 26 minus 5, answer would be 21 upon 3, isn't it? Now we'll reduce this. 21 1s are 21, 21 7s are, sorry, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So 3y is equals to 7. Now finally we'll take this 3 towards this side. The value of y would be 7 on 3. So now we have to check this answer. Okay, that is y equals to 7 by 3 or not, or whether the value of y 7 by 3 is satisfying the equation or not. That is, both the sides are carrying the same answer or not. So let's see LHS. So what is there in LHS? 2y plus 5 by 3. So 2y in place of y, what we'll put? We'll put 7 by 3. So it will look like 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So it will become 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So both the fractions are carrying the same denominator. So the LCM would be 3. And here we will write 14 plus 5. So what will the answer? 14 plus 5 will give us 19 by 3. So the answer of LHS is 19 upon 3. Now let's do RHS. Right hand side. So what we have there in RHS? 26 by 3 minus y. So in place of y we'll write 7 by 3. So 26 upon 3 minus 7 by 3. Now LCM would be what? LCM would be 3. We'll write 26 minus 7. So what is the answer? 19 by 3. So see, both the sides are having the same answer, that is 19 by 3 and 19 by 3. So we can write, therefore LHS is equals to RHS verified. Fine. So this is the solution of sum number 9, students. So let's move on to the last sum of today's session, that is question number 10. This is question number 10, students. 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5 is very easy. The first thing what we have to do, we have to bring the variables towards left hand side. So it will look like 3m minus 5m equals to minus 8 upon 5. Okay, this is the second step. Now what will be the third step? So we have to solve this too. 3m minus m, that is 3 minus m will give you minus 2m. Why? Because plus minus is minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Minus. So that is the reason I have written minus 2m. And on the right hand side we have minus 8 by 5. So if you see on both the side, that is on left hand side and right hand side, we have one minus sign is there. So we can reduce this minus sign like this. Okay. So now finally we will take this 2 towards that side. So 2 will be multiplied with 5. So it will look like m equals to 8 by 2 into 5. So if you reduce this, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So answer will come as m is equals to 4 by 5. So now we have to check this, whether this value of m is satisfying the equation or not. So for that we have to write LHS. So what is there in LHS? 3m. 3m means what? 3 into, what is the value of m? 4 by 5. So that is 4 by 5. Now 3 fours are 12. So answer of LHS is 12 upon 5. Now we'll check RHS. What is RHS? 5m minus 8 upon 5. So 5m minus 8 upon 5. So in place of m we'll put 4 by 5. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So 5 fours are 20. So 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So what is the LCM then? Obviously it would be 5 because both the fractions are carrying the same denominator. So LCM of 5 and 5 would be 5. And we will write 20 minus 8. So we'll get the answer as 12 by 5. So see, both the sides are having the same answer. So we can conclude as LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. Okay, so that's it for this session, students. I hope you have understood all the sum. So in my next session I will start another new exercise. Till then, God bless you, take care and stay blessed.